Hello fabric fans, I'm here with another fabric unveiling, a new collection, this time Flash Linings, the latest version of Flash from Huddersfield Fine Worsteds. Absolutely love this lining collection. As the name suggests, these are flash linings. They're absolutely beautiful. Huddersfield Fine Worsteds have partnered with one of the leading digital print studios in Italy to bring this amazing range of linings that can be used for the inside of jackets, the back of waistcoats. They are phenomenal. So we're going to run through this little collection here. I'm going to go through as quick as and efficient as I can. Linings are something that most clients will spend more time on average choosing than they do their actual suit or jacket. Fact, I've been doing this for over 20 years, happens almost every single time. So, Flash, here we go. So we start off with some beautiful florals. Then I have no idea what this is, like splodges, colourful splodges. I always say when you're picking a lining, go for something that's going to put a smile on your face. These are really interesting. Then we've got, this is almost, I don't know if it's stained glass or what it's called, but anyway, kind of abstract shapes, I guess. Again, more of these. There's just so much choice in terms of colours and, God, these florals I'm really into floral linings at the moment, actually. I especially love them because usually in floral linings you get a minimum of 3 or 4 different colours. So look, we've got grey, silver, we've got some white, we've got some light blue. We've actually got 4 different shades of blue in this lining. Love that. Paisley, very Marmite lining. People either love Paisley or they hate it. There's very rarely an in-between. There's some of the more sort of classic exuberant Paisleys. Now these are really cool. This is Valentina. This is an Italian comic strip heroine from the I want to say the 1950s. Might have that slightly wrong, so don't shoot me. But she's kind of like the Italian answer to Modesty Blaze, which was a UK black and white comic strip back in probably in the 70s and 80s, I think. But these are really, really cool. We've got Valentina here. She's in a striped dress. We've got we can just see here, she's kind of in these thigh-high boots with a camera. I think she was like not a secret agent, but she was like a private eye. Here, very risque. Look, she's topless, but with boxing gloves covering her modesty. Then she's here on the bicycles in a swimsuit. I've got some clients that have had a few of the Valentina themed linings, so they'll be really, really pleased to see this. And this is a great one for the cycling enthusiasts as well. You get a pretty lady and bicycles. There you go. Skull linings have been really popular the last couple of years. Then these look like gemstones, jewels. Then we've got dragonflies, parrots and other birds. Monkeys, bears on motorbikes, tigers, or jaguars or whatever, I don't know. Someone's probably going to comment and correct me on what animal that is. Seals. Then we've got tigers in nature. Beautiful, I love these. I love tigers. Then we have leopards, I believe. Mini florals going into snakeskin maybe, I'm not sure what that is. A bit more leopard print. Leopard print's becoming quite popular again. Then for the equestrians, we've got some horse and bridle stuff going on. And some more of these kind of very classic sort of heritage type patterns. I want to say that's India, actually. Yeah, look, you've got the elephants there. This is beautiful. Having a bit of Indian heritage myself, I might have to put one of these in my next blazer. Now, Ming Dynasty maybe, China. Then horticultural, Montreal. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Something to do with travel maybe, or periodicals from the past. Manuscript, that says. Horticultural Society. Who knows? Then we've got a cityscape here. I wonder if that could be Boston. I don't know. Or maybe it's different cities around the world, because look, we've got the Colosseum there. I've been there. It's absolutely amazing. If you ever get the chance to go to Rome, you should. Then we've got our pin-ups. Pin-ups have been a feature of Flash Linings' previous collections. A lot of fun. Very cheeky. Then we've got our LGBTQ plus Pride inspired lining. It's fantastic, very colourful. This is for all of you, I was about to say hippies and I probably offended everybody, but you know, all you flower power people from the 60s or whatever. I mean, it's very true though. Look, war is not healthy for children and other living things. Then we got some ones and zeros for the tech nerds. That looks like a circuit board. And that's it. That's the flash lining collection. Tell me what your favorites were. And, you know, if you do get things tailored and you have the opportunity to choose your linings, are you someone who likes a bit of exuberance? Do you prefer something that is very plain and simple, or do you prefer something in between? I'd love to hear what some of your favorite linings in your clothes have been, or if you could have anything made, which of these would you have put inside a jacket? Thanks very, very much for watching. If you're enjoying these little fabric unveilings and reviews, let me know in the comments and I'll do some more. But thank you very much for your time and for letting me share this wonderful new lining collection.